Welcome to the Gel Analysis Segment Analysis tutorial for the Unscan It Gel software. This tutorial will show you how to use the segment analysis mode of the Unscan It Gel software to analyze bands on electrophoresis gels. A startup screen will appear when the software is opened, and a pop-up menu will allow you to analyze a gel. This option can also be selected from the main Analyze Gel menu or the Analyze toolbar. The Unscan It Gel software can analyze a variety of image formats including TIFF, JPEG, bitmap, GIF, and PNG formats. The image can come from a scanner, digital camera, imager, internet, or other image source. The image to be analyzed should have the lanes or bands showing in the vertical direction on the image. For this tutorial, we will choose a sample JPEG from a scanner. There are several gel analysis modes available, including lane analysis, segment analysis, and dot plot analysis. These modes are explained further by clicking the question mark button associated with each mode. For this tutorial, we will choose the segment analysis mode. We will select the negative option since the image contains light bands on a dark background. Multiple gel analysis options will be presented, and you can choose the options that best fit your gel analysis needs. As an example, we will select the Subtract Upper and Lower Edge Interpolation background subtraction. The background subtraction options and any of the other options are explained further by clicking the question mark button associated with each option. For this tutorial, we will simply accept the remaining default options. The next screen is where you will draw the lane or segment boxes of interest on your gel image. General instruction will be presented at the bottom of the screen. You can use the Zoom toolbar option to increase or decrease the zoom level of the main image. Simply use your mouse to draw or drag the segment box at the desired location on the gel. Since we are using segment analysis mode with a background subtraction, we will draw a segment box that encompasses the entire band. You can draw the segments individually or use the copy button on the toolbar. It is generally a good idea to draw the segment boxes the same size for comparison purposes. The boxes can be resized or moved by hovering the mouse over the box and dragging the box, or by editing the values in the spreadsheet at the right side of the screen. After all the segment boxes are placed on the image, click the Analyze button in the lower right corner of the screen. The Unscan It Gel software will analyze the pixel intensities of each segment box and quantify the results for each band. After all the bands have been analyzed, the results screen will be displayed. Clicking the column headings will display a description of the data in that column. You can also use the results spreadsheet to create a concentration calibration curve or molecular weight calibration curve using values from a standard. The analyzed data can be saved to a data file or copied to the clipboard. The data can then be pasted into Excel or any other spreadsheet or data analysis program. Thank you for watching our Unscan It Gel Analysis Segment Analysis tutorial. Additional video tutorials are available on our Silk Scientific channel. For more information regarding the Unscan It Gel software, please visit the website shown here or contact us directly if you need additional information.